Welcome back to Snow Dogs Cooking, where if I can cook it, so can you. Today, we are bringing you something a little bit different. I believe it is pronounced Dalgona coffee or whipped coffee. This is a trending thing that has been going around TikTok and Facebook and everywhere else. And I wanted to try it, and I figured if I was gonna try it, let's show you how to make it. So let's get right into it. And as always, I have the best kitchen helpers ever here to watch me while I make some things. Sadly, there is none of this that you will actually be able to eat. I apologize for that. Maybe next time. For now, let's make some whipped coffee. So this recipe, you only need a few ingredients. You will need instant, yes, instant coffee. I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of instant coffee. You will need sugar, 4 tablespoons of sugar, your glasses to put them in, some toppings if you choose, some milk, and I might do a slight twist on this, so wait to the end and find out, and then 4 tablespoons of boiling water. We're gonna put all this together and see if this works. I don't know, do you think it's gonna work? Is it real? Is it fake? I saw it on TikTok, so it could be fake. So we're gonna be whisking all of this stuff together in the KitchenAid. You can hand mix this. I say mix, but I really mean whisk. You can hand whisk this with a regular whisk and do your thing for like 10 minutes. But if you've got one of those, use one of those. And then if you've got like a hand mixer that goes wee, you know what I'm talking about, use that. Otherwise, you're just gonna kill your arms. I mean, unless you're looking for some amazing arm exercise, then get to that whiskey business. Are you mad that you can't have any coffee? I'm gonna have to figure out how to make a version of this for you guys. What do you think? It's like, I'm just mad that I'm not getting any snacks. While the water's heating, have a cookie. Oh, are you gonna make it in here even though the microwave's going? Good job. Kira's been freaked out by the microwave lately, so I'm proud of you for coming in here. All right, back to the video. All right, here we go. Coffee in. Sugar in. And hot water in. All right. Let's whisk it up. Lid down, lock the lid, start it up. Let's see what happens. Wow, yeah, so after a few minutes, it worked. Look, there's peaks. See the peaks? So you want it to have medium peaks. That's interesting. All right, let's get our cups ready. So some people put a little bit of ice in their cup. I'm not gonna do that because I keep my fridge really cold. So we're gonna fill this cup halfway with milk. Remember how I said there was gonna be a surprise? I'm doing one with chocolate milk because I wanna try it. That's really the only reason. So now we're gonna spoon this onto this. And I'll tell you what, guys, I've seen some reaction videos where people think this is amazing, and I will tell you what, this smells horrible. But I don't like coffee, and Jamie does, so we'll see. I feel like this is a mess waiting to happen. Can I do this one-handed? Ooh, interesting. All right, I'll put a little bit more on there. Well, guys, there it is. I stand by what I said before. I still think it smells horrible. But let's get the coffee connoisseur. I don't know if you'd call him that. Let's get the guy in the house that drinks coffee and see what he thinks about it. All right, hon.
It smells.
You're the coffee drinker in the house.
Definitely smells.
Yeah, so this is whipped coffee. It's all the rage right now. I think it's called Dalgona coffee. Yeah. Yeah.
They both kind of look cool after sitting for a second, even though that one's starting to have lines in it.
The coffee's starting to go down into it. The chocolate one looks really cool right now, though.
Huh. Alright. So which one do I try first?
Either one.
I'll go with the white one. Does it matter if I drink the bottom or the top?
Well, the bottom's gonna taste like milk. So you can either stir it in or drink it like is. I was gonna say, I'm sure some of it has seeped in by now.
Some of this you.
No coffee for dogs, sorry.
Yep, that's definitely milk up there.
Yeah. Yeah?
I'm definitely thinking you would mix it, but let's just see what happens if you just start sipping this, because it's going to tip. The liquid's going to come up in there.
Right.
It's not a sipper.
No?
It's definitely solid.
Stir it together.
I think it needs to be.
Yeah, stir it together a little. I thought about frothing the milk too. I'm like, man, you could froth it all and have one big whipped thing. It's slowly stirring in there.
Yeah. Yeah.
The coffee is still not for dogs, honey. Still not for dogs.
You can mix that together. Holy cow.
Yeah.
Top is strong.
Yeah.
The bottom's not. But I think for display, this
Right.
would be nice. But if you were gonna legit drink this, you need to mix it.
All right. Well, give us a second. We're gonna mix it. So even while he's mixing it, it's still staying pretty frothy.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that's a good thing. I don't know, everybody on the internet was raving about it, and I'm like, there's no way it's gonna be that good. And I don't like coffee, so for me, it's a hard sell anyway. But for you, I thought, well, at least you can try it.
Take two.
Is it better mixed?
Yeah.
Is it really good mixed?
It's still a strong coffee, but
You had the better reaction like more people on the internet had.
Yeah.
Like that, wow, that's actually interesting.
yeah. Yeah, that was actually pretty good.
Is it something you would want to waste your time on and make every day?
I don't know.
Yeah?
I get to sip on that for a while.
Yeah, well, you have at it. You might get 2 of them, because I don't know how I'm going to feel about either one of them.
Say, I'll be bouncing off the walls, won't I?
Yeah, you will. So in conclusion, I think it's horrible. I tried it. It's horrible. We mixed it together. I even tried the chocolate one. I don't like it. But Jamie's going to mix these 2 together, and then he's got 1 big cup of coffee. So there's your conclusion. If you guys end up making this, let me know. Tag us on Instagram. We'd love to see it. Apparently it's all the rage right now, so now you know how to make it. It worked. It worked. It did exactly like it was supposed to do, even though I didn't really think it would. It did. So we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. You're going to be bouncing off the walls there, dear.
I have a feeling I might.
Goodbye, guys.